Hey, my friend, fellow traders, Will here over to fxace.com. First of all, welcome to the video. The start of November 2019. We've just come to the end of October also, and the end of another fantastic trading week. Okay, as you've seen in the headline of the video or the email, that this video was a recap of last week's pretty powerful trading week, where around 400 pips were up for grabs, banked. Some got a little bit more, some got a little bit less. And in this video, we're going to go over the actual trades that happened and show you the results. Okay, so this is the Facebook group that you can join. You can either just search the FXA's Professional Forex Signal Educational Group, or there will be a link below in the description area of this YouTube video. Okay, so first off, you can see this is some of the results that folks are getting in the Telegram group. You can see here, Rob got 74, 63, 77, 65, and then 130. 130 pips from another couple of extra positions, and USD on the USD, Japanese USD CAD, and British pound, Japanese yen. Also, you can see some of the other results the guys are getting, so pretty powerful. The other Robert and Rob in the group, he got nearly 500 pips across all trades. Okay, Dara got about 250. Basically, one of those trades didn't trigger, and I think that was around because he was trading on an MT5 account. Now, I do recommend a certain broker. An ECM broker, raise your account with IC Markets, okay, because you get the best fills, okay, for those accounts. So you can see the guys in the group are getting results. You can join the group via the link below in the description area, or just search the FXA's Professional Forex Signal and Educational Group. Okay, so now let's head over to the charts. First off, let's have a look at so these were the signals that were sent out last week. Okay, didn't get many triggers. We were close on the Euro CAD. I think we missed out on this trade, and this was a really huge trade. I'll actually go over in this video. Turned into like 300 pips by the end of the week, I think. But you can see the trades we got around 400 pips were banked last week, and out of 5 signals, 100% win rate. Okay, so pretty powerful. So the first one we're going to look at is USD CAD. Okay, so USD CAD was here, and you can see with this beautiful daily zone untested mark down here. It hit it, reacted from it, and we closed out after this initial pop up here. Okay, 131,850. Okay, so it was this initial pop on Thursday because we are reacting at this kind of area here on the way back down. This did trigger, did pop near the end of the week, so we took our profits on Thursday when it popped up, or sorry, Wednesday, and we got around 65. How many pips are getting that? So we got 110 pips on that trade. USD CAD, pretty powerful trade, 110 pips. We could have got a few more, but just good getting out that that pop. Okay, the next one was the USD Swiss franc, which turned out to be a pretty cracker of a trade last week. Okay, now if you run a standard account, this wouldn't have triggered. ECN account on Vantage, it would have triggered, which it did in our accounts. So let's have a look. Custom period, have a look. Okay, so trades last week, you can see USD Swiss franc triggered at 99,700 for us. So it did, and triggered. We got out at 99. Did rally pretty hard. Or sorry, dropped pretty hard. Sorry, last week, and yeah, it was good trade. We could have held a little bit further, but we're coming up to the Fed's interest rate decision, and we decided not to take this trade, or just not to take it, to exit the trade on Thursday before that decision came out. Okay, did drop a little bit more. Could have got another 40 pips on it, but hey, no point crying over spilt milk. Okay, so next one was the CAD yen. This was the free signal we put out last week, and I did a video on this the other day. We entered this at 83.4. popped up to our entry, more or less from our entry on Monday, just rallied all the way back down. Okay, we did exit at 82,600. So we did on Thursday, right, Friday morning to drop a little bit further, but hey, pips banked. Next one was the Euro Aussie. Okay, so this was a midweek signal that I seen. Okay, so it was basically coming down into this kind of area here on this wick of this daily candle, and we had a nice untested 4-hour zone right there. Now this did pop up from this zone. It was a 4-hour. The lower time frame zones are a bit weaker, and so we did just got initial pop in this. We got entered down here at 161.2, and we got out at 161.850 just after this pop. So it was rallying straight into this zone that caused the last low. Okay, so it was a nice drop in that. Okay, and what's the other trade? I was going to look at the Euro CAD. Okay, so new chart Euro CAD. Okay, Euro CAD. This was, we literally missed out on this by a couple of pips. Okay, our entry was 144.4. It went right down to 144.5. Just missed out on it. It was basically because I was looking for the entry, but a little bit too precise on the entry. Just trying to get down in this zone here, but just missed it. Hey, happens. And that was look right from that area, it rallied right up nearly 300 pips. So that was a pretty awesome trade. Okay, so end of the video, another fantastic trading week. As you can see, went over all the trades, 5 trades entered, 5 winning trades, earning 400 pips banked. You can join the Facebook group and see the kind of results the guys are getting. To access the signal service, just click the link below this video on the sales page here. Or if you're on the YouTube channel, just click the link below, get involved. If you have any questions, let me know at will@fxace.com. And as always, stay up to date with all my trading videos, my weekly free trade alerts. Just hit the subscribe button, and yeah. So I'll speak to you soon. Hope this video helps. Don't forget to leave your likes and comments below. And yeah, have a great weekend. will@fxace.com.